Hello students, today we will learn about social science. Okay, what is the name of the subject? Social science. This is not EVS. Okay, last in first standard and second standard you were having EVS, environmental studies. So in that you studied about our home, myself and so many other topics. But now from third standard you will be having two different subjects. One is social and the other one is science. So first you should get it cleared that there are two extra subjects now. EVS has been divided now. Social separately and science also separately. Now I will be teaching social for you. So the name of the textbook will be Footprints. What's the name of the textbook? Footprints. So in this, what all we can study here in this subject, the first lesson is our solar system in the universe. What it is called? Our solar system in the universe. So where do we live? We live on the earth, isn't it? So what is the shape of the earth? Earth is round like an orange. Earth is round like an orange. So earth is round in shape. Okay. So what all you can see in the universe? We can see stars, moon, sun, galaxies and so many other things on the earth. Land, river, ocean, everything are comprised in the earth. Okay. So in this solar system, what do you mean by solar system? In solar system means it contains the sun, the moon, the stars, everything contained in the solar system. And you have different kinds of planets. Later on, you will be learning about the planets also. See, in this picture, you can see all students, all children are just watching like this. What are they watching? They are watching the stars over here. What are they watching? Stars. The sky is full of twinkling stars. What it is? Full of twinkling stars. So, usually the stars twinkle only at the night. It can be seen only at the night times. Now, the universe, you have different kinds of planets also. Stars, then sun, you can also see planets, satellites, moon, all these come under the universe. Under universe. So it doesn't have particular small things, no space. It is endless. There is no end for it. It is endless, very, very big, vast it is. The space contains various heavenly bodies such as sun, planets, moon, stars. Okay, they contain all these things. Where too many are there. Various kinds of stars are there. Then how did this universe begin? How it came first? How can we know that our universe came into existence? First, what happened? Thousands and thousands of years. It's not a recent one. Very long back ago. What happened? Thousands and thousands of years, the universe began as a compact point. What do you mean by that? Compact. Compact means it's just a small point. What it is? It's a small point. It's called then. Then came a big explosion called the Big Bang. What happened? I think last year you all had an opportunity to watch the planetarium which we arranged in the school, isn't it? There in that video you could have seen so many galaxy stars and all. It was visible and you enjoyed that video also, that film also. In that they would have shown first what happened, a big bang, a big explosion. What do you mean by explosion? When something burst. Suppose if you fire a cracker, you get a huge sound, isn't it? That huge sound is called as an explosion. What it is called? Explosion. That explosion made a sound as a big bang. What it is? Big Bang. Big Bang. So, it is called as a loud explosion. Much of the universe was made of gases. Initially, it was containing only gases. Gradually, these gases expanded. Expanded means it enlarged. Enlarged one together. They began to cool down. First, when they exploded, it was very, very hot. Suppose if you go touch a fire of the cracker, it will be very, very hot, isn't it? After that, it gets cold. Like that only, even when the universe began, it had a big sound, huge sound, that is Big Bang. So after that, it was very, very hot at that time. Later on, it became very cool. It was very cold also. It took many, many years of these gases and dust to come together from galaxies, and at all of a sudden it didn't come. It took many years. It didn't come just when the Big Bang was heard after an explosion. It didn't come suddenly to the earth. After many, many years only it came. The matter that spread out after the Big Bang slowly took the shape. So what happened? After that, each gases and dust particles took a shape. This is called the matter. What do you mean by matter? The substance that everything of the universe, whatever substance are there on the universe, each thing is made up of a matter. After that, many scientists, who are the scientists who discover about all these things are called scientists. Scientists use this theory to explain, all sat together and they started to discover themselves how the universe was created, everything. The universe also contains dust. Dust means doo-doo, they say, that is called as dust. Gases and pieces of rocks. So you can see the rocks all over the thing. When you go to somewhere outside, you just can see the rocks. Rocks means bande kallu, they say, that is called as rocks. It is bigger than anything we can imagine. It's not just a small thing. Rocks are very, very big. Okay. So since this is the first lesson, it's difficult for you to understand. You learn later on step by step. Till now, you learn what is the solar system and how the earth came, how the universe came into existence and Big Bang, everything. Every day I'll be teaching few points. Later on I'll be giving the notes also. Okay.